Our first lesson here I'd like to share with you is about food chains. What does it mean, a food chain? What does predator-prey relationships mean? Who eats who? You are on the food chain somewhere. You are either eating something or you are being eaten by something. If you guys were here in the past and you participated, you remember that an owl will eat its food whole, swallows it down. Its favorite food are rodents, little mice, meadow voles, shrews, field mice. That's its favorite thing to eat, but it can also eat little birds and stuff. So when it eats that animal for nutrition, it swallows the whole thing down. It's not like us, we sit down at the dinner table with a knife and fork. That owl just gobbles it up, swallows it right down whole. And it can only digest part of that animal. Owls' digestive systems are a little bit funny. They can't digest everything that they eat. So they have to cough it back up. They have to regurgitate what they cannot digest. So bones and fur of little critters cannot be digested and passed. So that owl has to cough it back up. And it gives us a great little clue to be able to find, to be able to determine what meal that owl has eaten, what its favorite foods might be, what it caught last night, what it was hunting. Here in the woods at Lagan, I find them on the ground all the time back in our pine forests. Now, when we have students come in at Lagan and there's 30 or 60 or 100 kids, I'd never find 100 owl pellets out in the woods. So we order these online. And I'll encourage you to do that if you'd like to try this from home. Go online and there's many places that you can find owl pellets to order from scientific distributors. I'll share some links here in this video with you so you can find some places to order if you're interested in doing this. But let's dissect one of these owl pellets, separate the bones and the fur, and see if we can determine what critter it was that this owl was eating. And I'd like to share some ways to show you how to do that. It's real quick, real easy. All you'll need is a couple items. Your hands, if you don't want to touch the owl pellet and pull it out of the wrapper with your bare hands, it's okay to grab a pair of rubber gloves, some gloves out there, exam gloves, anything to keep you from touching it, it's okay. I never mind opening them up and touching them with my bare hands. The ones that you order online have all been sanitized. They go through a sanitization process. So it's okay to touch them with your hands. And then I'll also use a couple little tools here to help me out. Maybe some barbecue skewers, some shish kebab skewers, or even little toothpicks are okay to help you start pulling and separating the hair from the bones. And in the video here, you're gonna see once this gets separated, we'll have a separate pile of hair, a separate pile of bones, and then we'll use our sorting chart and see if we can put the skeleton, the bones from the skeleton, back together and determine exactly what it was that this owl ate. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you get a chance to participate in this and go out there and try to find some owl pellets yourself or order some online and dissect some. Until next time.